Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Bank of Jamaica says market interest rates rose in 2023, with the exception of private money market rates. In its annual report, the central bank says the weighted average for lending rate on bank loans to the private sector as at December 2023 was 12.3%. Interest rates on deposits also increased, reaching an average of 2.47% as at December. The Bank of Jamaica has been monitoring interest rates in the market, especially since it has increased the policy interest rate to 7% over the last 3 years. This was in a bid to stem inflation. Epley Limited has advised that Raymond Donaldson will serve as the Chief Executive Officer of the company effective May 3, 2024. Epley Limited has further advised that Jeffrey Brown will join the company on May 3, 2024 as Chief Investment Officer and will work closely with Denise Gallimore, Vice President of Real Estate, and Samantha Somerbell, Assistant Vice President, Credit, to grow and expand the company's investment efforts. Epley Limited has also advised that Justin Nam has resigned as General Manager of the company to pursue other interests after nearly a decade at the company. His resignation is effective May 31, 2024. Jamaica produced some 779,254 tons of domestic crops in 2023, which is the country's second highest recorded production figure. Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture, Fishings and Mining, Honorable Franklin Witter, in making the disclosure, said that the achievement was despite unfavorable weather conditions. Mr. Witter was addressing the Jamaica Agricultural Society 41st Annual National Farmers Month church service held at the Kettering Baptist Church in Duncan's Trelawney on April 7. Mayor of Falmouth, Councillor Colin Gager, in his remarks underscored the importance of farmers in ensuring food security and pledged the municipal corporation's continued support for the agricultural sector in the parish. During trading on April 8, 2024, the top 3 advancing stocks covered the hardware, distribution, and finance sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Lumber Depot shares advanced by 14.41% for a 34-cent price increase to close at $2.70 with 990 shares traded. Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited shares advanced by 13.08% for a 17-cent upward movement to close at $1.47 with 17 shares traded. MFS Capital Partners Limited shares advanced 12.41% for a 17-cent price growth to close at $1.54 with 23,820 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on April 8, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the finance, technology, and transportation sectors. First Rock Capital Holdings Limited declined by 19.6% for a $1.96 price drop to close at $8.04 with 30,391 shares traded. T-Tech Limited declined by 12.61% for a 29-cent slippage in price to close at $2.01 with 83 shares traded. Knutsford Express Services Limited declined by 11.71% for a $1.34 price decrease to close at $2.10 with 6,176 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on April 8, 2024, registered a volume of 200,499 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at TT $4,359,884. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 67,880 shares changing hands for a value of TT $297,101.05, followed by Grace Kennedy Limited with a volume of 37,000 shares being traded for $150,590 TT dollars. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On April 8, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $49.7 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $48.1 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $155.88 and bought US dollars for $153.94. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.94, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.66 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.03 and bought for $112.37. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.61, selling it for $195.79 and buying it for $192.18. Major life changes can be challenging and can impact your credit score. Our credit report tip of the day offers a suggestion for you to consider. Set clear financial goals. Define your financial objectives with clarity and precision. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a new home, planning for your children's education, or aiming for early retirement, having specific goals gives you a roadmap to success. And then use your credit report as a tool to monitor your progress and make informed decisions that align with your objectives. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.